Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have another B15. Let me show you. It's a B15 model. This vehicle has a misfire. When I talk about misfire, I mean there is some installing or rough idling. For you to understand, let me go to an exhaust pipe. For you to understand misfire, I want to use exhaust pipe. Let me try to accelerate. See, there is some weird sound coming out of the exhaust. See, so to identify a misfire, we have a lot of things that can cause misfire. The first one is we normally call it ignition coil. Let me show you. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Those ignition coil can cause some misfire. Another thing that can cause misfire is nozzles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, or injectors. Another thing that can cause a misfire is massive for sensor can cause a misfire. Another thing, the EGR. This is the EGR valve. The EGR can cause a misfire. So we have a lot of things that can cause a misfire. But we are going back to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. So we are going to handle this vehicle according to the fault code. Read the code. So the main fault code is P1320, which is ignition signal primary. So there is one bad coil, one or two bad coil. So according to that code, you must change the ignition coil. So let's go and find out. The engine is shaking, so I'm going to plug out. This is the number 1 coil. See, number 1 is okay. We are going back to number 2. This is the coil number 2. Nothing, which means the problem is coil number 2. We are going back to coil number 3. Coil number 3, then we are coil number. So according to this vehicle, coil number 4 is okay. Look, so this is the coil number 4. This is the coil number 3. See, this is the coil number 2. Nothing. Then this is the coil number. So according to this vehicle, you need to change the coil number 2. So this is the ignition coil. So we are going to change all of those coils, which means we call it a set. So let's plug in the coil number 1. Coil number 2, the bad one, bad coil. Then coil number 3, the coil number 3, it's okay. Coil number 2 had a problem. Then finally coil number 4. You see? So let's start the vehicle. See? See, right now the engine is running smooth. Let's go and confirm on the exhaust. See, there's no pop. After changing the coils, you need to quick erase. Need to clear the code in the system. Clear fault code completed. Okay, let's read again. no DTC is detected. So I think right now everything's okay. So right now the engine is running smooth, no misfire. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.